Hello there, guys. We will jump into energy checkup for the upcoming week from today, from 1st till 8th of July. And we already have here the cards. And what we are seeing it's owning the situation and being able to provide for others, where you have an excess of uh, energy, excess of goodies when you work as yourself for yourself and provide for yourself. You can put the advantage uh, additional resources which you already have into the others and give them equally as they need, because it's what's healing us, and as we can see, it's going in an equal way, that the resources, emotions, feelings are being put over there. mm, and what else we can see? We can see dreaming of stars, so it's also about fulfillment of our vision, and moving straight forward towards everything what's best for us, and having a contentment within ourselves and with our relatives. So yes, have a beautiful week. Enjoy your time, enjoy your week, and see you next time. I love you.